Greetings and salutations, ladies and gentlemen. You know I'm Rastafari soldier. I'm here live in Lauderhill, Florida, South Florida, and I'm going to be taking you around where the Jamaican massacred Fordlawd and Muscleman around to the Blueberry Court. It's probably the only channel that's going to have a live location shot of it. So go ahead and share it up for me. I'm Rastafari soldier here of Deep Roots TV. I'm more life, I'm more joy, yeah, I'm more happiness. I'm live here in South Florida, Lauderhill, right where Jman massacred Fordlawd and Muscleman, ladies and gentlemen. So stay tuned. I'm going to drive you around here and let you see the location. More life, more joy, more happiness. My families and friends, jumping in a vehicle from my location right now, and I'm going to take you around to the location here that they said that the incident happened. Now, I'm not sure, you know, if it's in an apartment adjacent to the road or not, but I know that close by. I'm gonna turn around the vehicle here. Family, me turn around the car now. Now, I'm heading north on 55th Avenue right now, right? Let me see, right? And it's right down the street, I'm telling you. Unbelievable. It's I just see it's a quiet place. Because when me hear on the news, it's like them say Jamaicans are in feud. Yeah, this is the area where a lot of, you know, island people hustle and live. Yeah, and the thanks we are give. So when you look here, so this is our actual substation for your police station and the fire station in a one. Now if you notice, I'm going on 56th Avenue and I'm heading north. So it's one street over west, right? And here you have the fire station where a lot of police station. You have schools and things like that right here, so, right? So, I don't know, like you know, deep ghetto. Them call it the ghetto because at the mind of the people at the ghetto. You are guaranteed. So, here is one apartment over here, so. It used to be known as the Glen. Now, over here says the Habitat. You are guaranteed. So that the two apartment complex may just pass. One on the left and one on the right. And as you come up here, so now to the next complex, this is where the incident occurred, right? This is where they call the Blueberry Condominium, Blueberry Hills Condominium. You see how close? See, they changed the Glen to Sunny Lake, right? All right, over here, so the man them ambush, the man them. You are guaranteed. I'm going to take you on in there, and as you notice, as you reach the front, you see what the sign say? No trespassing. And you see what it there? I want camera. You are guarantee? How you deal? Right? So as you go in, you know say camera out there somewhere. One of them apartment you go have camera, brother. Right? Over here so the man them come dash with the man them. You are guarantee? Right over here so the man them come dash with the man them. And it's amazing, say, you know, a Jamaican pan Jamaican again, and as you see how the place look, it's a residential area, it's a busy area, car up and down, and it was in the evening, so it's right across. This is what, 56th Avenue, and them say it's switching at Inverry Boulevard, but I'm going to go right over here so and see what, and show you what I'm talking about, right? So, as you see. Yeah, greetings, ladies and gentlemen. You know it's your favorite Rasta man. I'm here standing right here at the Blueberry Hills condo. Yeah, right where the incident took place. Right where the two young gentlemen got annihilated by the vicious crime that occurred. As you see, it's Rastafari soldier. The only one that's going to bring you here, you know? No life on moon, John. That's what I said. They are right back spot to get some of the information. And just show you the location because not a lot of people have a chance to come to the location. It's a decent and nice place, right? Decent and nice place, right? From my recollection, they must say, I must see somewhere right here so it happened. And if I right here so, I know say them ghost cook. And if on the right, just so if I further down, the situation even worse. Because although you don't see certain things like camera, trust me, them people have camera up. Right? So I enter into Blueberry right here, so I just see I see nobody when I can talk to and ask where the shooting occur and then actually go at the location to see. You know what I say? So boy, it's a tough, rough situation. So I'm right in the complex right now. So I'm pull out and talk and them things. So I can walk and go around and make you see a little bit more. But like I say, share up the thing. Right, so right now you're inside of the Blueberry. I'm going to walk you back outside and make you see how I go on and how the things stay. But in here, so the man them come wake up, them people them nice and decent, complex. You guarantee. Yeah. So remember it's Rastafari soldier, yeah. Really out Stevie, a deep road Stevie. Yeah, that's how it going. You more life and more joy and more happiness. So bless up on yourself. Subscribe, like and share. Not even sure, yeah. If you don't see me too big or too small, subscribe, like and share to the thing. You know what I say? Yeah, let me zoom it out. Because right now, that's the situation. Yeah, excuse me, sir. In which one of these complexes here the shooting went on the other day? What? Which one of these complexes the shooting went on? No, I mean like, you know, like which area so I could go over there? Right around there? Yeah. Alright, good. Nice dogs, man. See, look at the dog them. Yeah, pretty dog. So the gentleman that live here say around this area, yeah, so it happened. Right? So I just see we come through the complex there, so them drive through, come through the complex over here, so right? Right? Them come up to the complex and then would have make the turn right here, so. Yeah. John, no. Man, them wet up the people, them place. So, when they drive to the complex, so like them come around here, so. So when they come around here, so now, they have a radar. Right? So once them have a radar, them not pre-say like places like here, so now, you know, have one camera right up there, so, you know. So when them a drive by, you know, the camera see them, you know. You guarantee? They not pre that. Now, I'm sure when they come in, them never pre. Say camera dep on the ends them. Because if you look over here, so, right, up this up on the building, a camera that. You understand? Say me can. So, if them all make a mistake and the drive come around here, so, I know say them the thing they dep on this here person, your camera. And a Wi-Fi. So, I don't know lower 5, a Wi-Fi. You guarantee? Camera they all over the place. So when them drive come through here, so now, me sure say they ain't gone around there, so. You understand? Yeah, remember it's Rastafari soldier, and I tell you say me actually just have to forward in our area for really see me can catch a good idea what really gone. I'm wanting to show you the people, them good people, them place where the man them come up in here, so. And I in here, so them would all say I get a place. You understand? Yeah, and them have big old swimming pools. You guarantee? Come broke people them roll. So people have all them Benz park up there, so around here, so them drive. The man say around here, say drive, so I want to go around here to go see if no kind of evidence there. Around here, so I can't see no bullet. I'm sure them don't pick up his pen shell them and clean up the place already. But me just forward into the place. You guarantee. I'm want do a good coverage on this, so I look and see if I can't see any kind of evidence. Alright, let me see. So how you out down here, so now. Family! I see some picnic. I not even realize that the Blueberry complex so big. So really. Let me see if I can get some direction for any one of them people here. You know what I'm saying? Alright, see some more family down here, so I want to see if I down here, so, or if around there, so. You guarantee? Yeah. Family are playing them thing there. Yeah. Yeah, so it's Rastafari soldier, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah. How you doing? Family, I'm covering a story still, and I'm a vlogger. And I heard recently 2 weeks ago, there was some shooting around here. You know exactly where it happened? I said I heard like 2 weeks ago there was some shooting around here. You know where exactly it happened? Round this way? Alright, good. Yeah, I'm trying not to put you on the picture, you know? Yeah. Zai, what's up, bro? Alright, so I go around here. So you see how far them come all the way down, people. You see how far I walk. So, that again. When I say back this way, you mean right here, sir? So, this broke out window right here is part of it? So, it's this apartment right here, sir? Alright, family, so, you know, I'm around here, and as you see, you have broken window right there. Right? Broken window, so that is 5825. Right? So, I don't know if anybody is there or anything, but around here, so it seems like so. Probably them clean up the blood and the evidence, them and thing, and you know what I say? But as you see, we and I back. We and I back. Right? Just so them hang out. And you see people, they about the place so with them picnic. Right? And it's sunny South Florida, ladies and gentlemen. This is supposed to be the ghetto. Yeah, guarantee this is the ghetto. Then if I get up, I'll take you ghetto. You know what I say? Alright. So anyone in the apartment? There's nobody there? Alright, so.
It's my first time in a while.
Okay. Is it broken glass? You know, like so. Yeah. See the glass they broke out. I mean, I see no like bullet hole or nothing like that, you know what I say? But see one camera over there up on the window. You understand? See one camera I say so. If anything did go on around here so. You know, so this a camera probably pick up something. Right? This a camera pick up something. Right? And see a next camera here so. So you know so this a camera probably pick up something. Yeah, guarantee. Yeah. And see. I don't know if I like the ring bell there. Greetings, how you doing, miss? You know, I'm a vlogger, you know. And you know, I heard of a terrible incident that happened around here, so I'm just doing a report on it, you know. I'm not gonna put you on the camera on it. Yeah. So people and from no man, me not even know which one of your vehicle.
Because I don't want my information.
No man, me don't know your vehicle. And you know man, if that way when I edit, if I see that man, I blur them out, man. You know that. But you wasn't here when the incident happened.
No.
I just heard it happen, them say.
I don't know,
I know that too. Yeah, me understand still, and it sounds like it's some popular DJ from down in Jamaica involved. That's what they're saying. But they catch one of them have him down on Broward and 2 murder charge. Yeah man, 2 first-degree murder charge. Yeah, so people out here in the area here and just I see me can get any kind of information or me can get. So like me saying, this is the area that it happened. This is the exact apartment right here, so that the incident happened, people. And you know, me have to be careful not to put nobody on the video because I don't want, you know, nothing happen to them and them say me. Yeah, I guarantee. So see the window them look out just so I don't know if I in the parking lot just or anything, I don't see any kind of blood stains or anything that we can recognize. But here it is, you know, confirming that yes right there. Yes them throw down the man. Yes them throw down Fordlawd. I'm Muscleman. Rastafari right now. Jah know, brother. 2 youth when me know personally, so when me hear them get through them, I man have to really come look into it. You know, I see. The children have to play, the children have to day, the children them need to can be safe. And look how far the man them drive come. Look how far the man them drive come through them people them. That's right. Look how far them drive come through them. Alright, me I walk it back out now. You understand? Greetings. I walk it back out and show you how far the man them come. Yes, General. Right? I walk it back out. All the way out. And I hope so my batch no dead cause I say it a good one. But I just want to give you a little footage of where I go on from me and friends. How far the man and how the place look. The place not look bushy. Yeah, and them say around here, so I like to get to area. But to me, the place don't look too bad for me. But look how far the man drive come around here, so it's like them in a little hole and hide off around here. You see what I say? It's like them in a little hole and them just hide off. Right? As we go way up around this and go back around this and then drive out, you understand? So, man, them they have a little safe haven around here, so, right? And it's not good for someone to lose them loved one and them friends and people get away with it, you guarantee. So I'm gonna do my best to cover the footage in a lot of Lauderhill. For all of the friends and families them, a Fordlawd, Jahreme and Muscleman. And I'll tell you now again, I don't want to come around me with the idiot thing, and go on like say, kill off innocent Jamaicans and get away with it. Because anything when me have to do for putting up on blast, I'm going to let the people them know that the wrong thing we don't deal with. Jahreme, ladies and gentlemen, it's a loss amongst the whole community. I'm not telling no lie. Yeah, I had to jump on the plane and take a flight and go up a lot of areas and see what really are going on. So, Jamaicans stay, all my people them stay, them not go up on no video. So the best I could do is to actually give you a walkthrough and let you see how far the man them enter the apartment them, go all the way around the corner to go kill off their friend. Because this is an incident of friend killing. That's what this is all about. It's an incident of friend killing. The mobile man them link up and say true them youth there in the street and them man seem like them just come in and want a little assistance. So seem like the man them probably help them out. See? And it end up to the point where seem like say the man them feel like say the man them double cross them or something. As all know the streets still talking. I guarantee the streets still talking. So I just decide to just fly in the area and look. I guarantee. See there's another ring bell right there. So I'm sure say the cops have a lot of footage. I guarantee. So I'm Rastafari soldier, ladies and gentlemen, Deep Roots TV. I guarantee more if you just share the content. I'm here live at the Blueberry Hills condo, right where the incident occurred, right where J-Man took Muscleman and Fordlawd live. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari soldier reporting live for Deep Roots Studio. More life, more joy, and more happiness. Be blessed.